45-year-old man was arrested Thursday after allegedly shooting at someone from a vehicle while driving along the 110 freeway near Carson, Los Angeles County Sheriff's officials said. The incident was reported about 10:55 a.m. along the northbound side of the highway, south of 223rd Street. The victim reported that the suspect drove alongside him on the freeway and the two exchanged words before the suspect shot at him, officials said in a news release. The victim was not injured and was able to provide authorities a description of the suspect, his vehicle and the gun used in the incident. The suspect also saw the driver get off the freeway at Carson Street, officials said. Deputies found the suspect, identified as Mike Ruiz, driving near West 220th Street and Rational Avenue, and he was taken into custody. A firearm and ammunition were found in his vehicle, and Ruiz, of Los Angeles, was booked on suspicion of attempted murder.